You will receive the course invitation on your university email from your professor. Then you will receive the exam assignment by email as well. Once you click on the link found on your email, you will be directed onto this page. On the lower right, you have to click on the assignment. Then you have to click on Avanti. And then you have to complete the exam. On the lower right, you can see the advancement bar. Finally, you have to click on Invia to send the exam to your professor. Here you can see that you already have submitted your answers, so you cannot retake the exam. On this page on the right, you can see your work. So then, to see your exam, you have to click on biology and chemistry. Here, your exam will appear, so you can see all your answers, both wrong and right. And at the top, you can see the score of your exam. To check the actual grade, you have to see under biology and chemistry.